How to use Google Business Profile for free to get more local customers. Hi, welcome to today's presentation. My name is Eddie. I've been doing business online since 1996. I've started and built several web properties, growing one of them to 8 digits turnover in just 5 years with zero advertising spent. Today, I offer training and consulting services for companies or individuals looking to establish their own presence online or want to take their business to the next level. I employ the coach, consult, and train methods, which are hugely popular with many business owners around the world. So if you're interested to work with me, my contact information is at the end of this presentation. Okay, would you be interested in knowing how to get up to 250% more conversion to your website with one simple 10-minute strategy? So if you are, the QR code is on the screen. You can scan the QR code. Alternatively, you can pause the video, use the URL on the screen, and set up a Zoom meeting with me, 10 minutes only. So just in case you can't get a slot with me, you can actually email me at hey@eddieteo.com. That is HEY@EDDIETEO.com. Okay, so how to use Google Business Profile for free to get more local customers. Okay, so here's what we are going to cover in today's presentation. What is Google? What is Google Business Profile? What are the benefits of Google Business Profile? Building trust and social proof with reviews, assessing the smartphone market, getting a free website, how to start using Google Business Profile, or is Google Business Profile right for you? Okay, Google is a massive search engine, and it has become synonymous with searching for information online. It has even become part of our everyday life for a lot of us out there. Today, when we are unsure of something, we just use the phrase "just Google it," or we are trying to explain something to some of our friends, and they don't seem to understand what we are trying to say. We just say "just Google it," go Google it. So if you're trying to give your business the advantage and leverage on being found when someone try to search for your type of business, it makes perfect sense to use as many Google products as you can. As we all know, Google is more than a search engine these days. It started off purely as a search engine. People are using Google to navigate and explore their local areas, discover answers to common household problems, seek out products and services, recommendations, especially by reading reviews, as well as writing their own reviews about their experiences with businesses. So what's in for us as a business person or business owner? So as a business, there is a lot you can do to improve your visibility on Google. Of course, the emphasis will be in improving your visibility on Google. You want to be searched. You do not want your competitors to be searched. Okay, so setting up your Google Business Profile, formerly known as Google My Business, is probably the most advantageous of them all. Okay, the best part of it is totally free. Okay, so what is Google Business Profile? Okay, Google Business Profile is basically a free listing service that literally put your business on the map. So it was created to help businesses manage their online presence and connect with local customers. So quite literally, your business gets a location-specific listing in the biggest directory in the world, bar none. Okay, so these listings help curious prospective customers discover the important information about your business, such as your business name, your business address, the online reviews, your local location, and where they can where they can find you. All these are available. Information will be available online via Google Business Profile. Okay, so what are the benefits of Google Business Profile? There are actually a number of benefits to your business for setting up and getting your Google Business Profile listing optimized. Okay, so getting your Google business profile listing, setting it up properly is all about visibility for those closest to your business. So as a local business, you want to get in front of as many businesses as possible, yeah? Uh, that is a no-brainer question. So the whole idea is to show up in the search engine for your type of business, especially locally. Okay, so here are some of the main benefits of putting up a concentrated effort into Google Business Profile. You will rank better than number one with the local tree pack. So if you are not sure what is the local tree pack, those are the listings that Google provides straight after you search for something, after their advertisements. So Google Ads will appear first, followed by the local tree pack. So the tree pack, will list, the most prominent business according to Google. And how to get into the tree pack? Simple, by optimizing your Google business profile. Okay, so here's a subtle but important thing worth considering. So when you search for a local business, even before the SEO-driven search results come out, Google actually shows you the list of nearby businesses that it considers to be most relevant to the search. Read that again if you don't understand. Yeah. Okay, so when you search for a local business, example, restaurant near me, or maybe car mechanic near me, car wash near me, petrol station near me, etc., etc. Okay, Google will actually show you a list of nearby businesses that it considers to be the most relevant to that search. Yes. Okay, so this results shows up on on a map, complete with star ratings and with all the business information that is important to the searchers. So also known as your potential customers. Okay. So does that get your attention? Okay, if it doesn't, it should. If you don't understand, scroll, play, rewind the video and play this video again. Yeah. Okay, so the exciting news about this is by filling in your Google Business Profile is as much as possible and getting Google reviews. It will help you boost your chances of being included in the tree pack. Okay, you will also want to show up in the Google Maps searches. This happens, complements a lot when people uses the Google Voice search, especially. Okay, so achieving the tree pack visibility is definitely a great accomplishment, but it will only work for you when the customer is already in the area. Okay, so that raises a question. What about those searchers who don't happen to be in my vicinity? Okay, setting up your Google Business Profile account helps you come out on Google Maps when people search locally. Okay, so these days over 86%, this is quite an old stat, but current stats will probably be showing higher, of people are actually searching for businesses on Google Maps, with 30% of all mobile searches are related to location. Scary stats, yeah. Okay, so more searches means more traffic. That means more sales, more business for you. So over 50% of something near me. I've just given you some examples. More examples would probably be, maybe a cafe near me, maybe it could be anything, or even restaurant near me is probably or even a property agent near me. Okay, so it's easy, it's fast, and it's free. Okay, so marketing in SEO can be complicated, super expensive, and time consuming. Okay, so setting up a Google Business Profile account is a fast and free way to get your business found on Google. It's easy to update your business details so that the customer trying to reach you have the right information. It's local SEOs, as we all know, delivers great return on investment. Google have reported that 46% of searches have local intent. The figures are probably about 50 or more today. So that's huge number. So that's huge number. In short, that literally means that people who searches locally for products and services, they are actually hot customers. Okay, so that means that almost half of the searches on Google are specifically looking for a nearby business. Okay, within that 46%, 60% of those people are actually searching from a mobile device, which means that the map search result is going to pop up and they are ready to buy. The keyword ready to buy. So you're looking at about 30 to 40% of people who uses the search who are ready to buy. Okay, so leveraging that will be a huge advantage for your business. Read that again. Leveraging that would be a huge advantage for your local business. Okay, so what do you need to do next? Build trust and social proof with reviews. It will stand to reason that having reviews of your business would be favorable, definitely. A lot of people would like to have positive reviews, of course. When someone searches and discovers your business and seeing positive testimonials, reviews, these are great way to display social proof that your business is reputable. Okay, so we all like to do business with those whom we know, we like, and we trust. And customer trust is critical for a successful business. Okay, so reviews on your Google business profile listing actually makes your business that much more legitimate and trustworthy. Okay, so it has been said that 73% of consumers will trust a business based on the positive reviews on Google. Scary numbers. Okay, so what do we need to do next would be assessing the smartphone market. Okay, so do you know how much time the average person spends on the mobile phone today? Probably more than 4 hours. That is massive, massive amount of time. And a lot of that time is spent searching for businesses. Okay, so over 50% of all web traffic comes from mobile phones. From the latest stats that I've checked on my clients' statistics, Google Analytics and all, the figures is as high as 80% today. Scary, scary numbers. Okay, so considering that information and the fact that 78% of local mobile searches actually lead to an in-store purchase, it is clear that this is a winning formula literally now at your fingertips. Okay, so the next one will be getting a free website. Okay, so while many businesses have already have a functioning website, there are so many more ways, more than that, maybe just getting around moving online. So for local businesses that prefer to sell offline but want to be found on the internet when someone searches for their type of business, they can actually get a Google business profile page set up in within minutes. Literally, yes. Google business profile page is a simple website that shows off your business. It helps searchers know where to find you. A Google business profile page also helps facilitate things like placing orders, sending messages, and calls to your business. Okay, so how to start using Google business profile? The best part about setting up a Google business profile listing, aside from it being free, is how easy it is to do. Okay, so to create a Google business profile listing for your business, go to this URL, google.com/business. One more time, google.com/business. Log in if you already have gotten a Google business profile. Okay, the page will prompt you to provide information that makes it easier for potential customers to get in touch with you, such as your name, your address and your phone number, your website URL, etc., etc. Also your business hours, photographs of your business, if you have a restaurant, they'll ask you for images of your menu, etc., etc. Okay, so make sure you complete your business category as well. Choose the relevant and appropriate categories. Okay, so click finish to verify. It's just simple as that. Google will then send you a postcard with a code to the address that you have entered to make sure that is your actual address. Okay, so don't miss the last step because once you get the postcard, it should take only a few days. It's stated, if I remember correctly, it's up to 10 days. But most of my clients actually get theirs within 3 to 4 days. Okay, so once you get that, log back in, enter the code, and then you're done. Okay, so is Google Business Profile right for you? Okay, some businesses don't have a physical location or storefront, especially like, for example, the e-commerce sites. Okay, so if you don't want everyone online to know your home address, you will still have to put it up, yeah? So Google needs to verify you. So you can change the settings so that people don't see your address. Okay, so but Google still needs to verify you. Okay, so you can choose what information is visible to the searchers actually. Okay, so you can also select the areas that you service. So if, for example, if you are in Pennsylvania and you don't serve, a place, out of your city or your town or even your state, you can select those areas. Okay, so this is ideal for businesses who want to specify the locations where you offer delivery, if you have a service rather than a product, etc., etc. Okay, so as a local business, it should sound interesting, particularly if you want more customers. But if you are doing business and you do not want more new customers, something is wrong. Yeah. Okay, so here's what to do next. Okay, so if you want new or more customers, now go set up your Google Business Profile and start tapping into the extra searches. For a small restaurant that I work with in western part of Singapore, they are actually getting about 30,000 searches per month. No joke, 30,000 extra searches per month. Okay. So by the way, if you need help with this Google Business Profile stuff and do not want to deal with all the technical aspects, I'll be elated to help you. You can WhatsApp me, text only please at the number on the screen. Pause the video, send me a WhatsApp, or you can email me at hey@editio.com. Okay, with all those shared, please do take action. Don't just sit there. Sitting there will not get you any further. Any way to advance will be taking the step forward. Okay, so would you be interested in knowing how to get up to 250% more conversions to your website with one simple 10-minute strategy? If you are, scan the QR code on the screen or use the URL on the screen to set up a 10-minute Zoom session with me. Alternatively, we can communicate via email. Hey@editio.com is actually meant by myself. I read all the emails. So you can send me an email at hey@eddieteo.com. This presentation is by me. My name is Eddie. Thank you for staying until the end of the presentation. So if you have any questions, any comments, please do contact me via the contact information on screen. Okay, so till my next presentation, thank you very much once again. Signing out. Cheers.